Hello guys, welcome to another trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade Australian dollar versus US dollar. Here we can generate very good profit. If you like this video then please like it so I will know which strategy seems best to you. Guys, I apply for all the trades and get them after some time. Guys, there is $3,700 in this account. Currently we are losing more than $100. This loss will soon be converted into profit since our entry is at the right place. Now let me explain to you the reason for buying trade from technical analysis, so that you can understand the market pattern. While a lot of uptrend and downtrend moves are created in the market, we have to follow the same trend where the market is going up by creating higher high, higher low points. Now we are going to create an uptrend channel first. The market is following this trend line very well, due to which we will see perfect trend line support points. We will connect all these points well with the trend line so that we can get the perfect trend line. We will take another trend line and connect it to the higher high points of the uptrend. This trend line is acting as resistance. In the future, whenever the market comes near this trend line, we will see a reversal. The market has been moving in this uptrend channel for a long time, where we see perfect uptrend patterns. Here we draw strong support resistance level to find more patterns, which will give us more buying signals. At this level the market has created multiple support resistance points where the market has reversed repeatedly at the same level. This is a strong reversal level of the market. At these points you can see that the market first took resistance and later broke this level and became support, due to which a resistance become support pattern has been created here, which is a strong pattern of uptrend. Whenever such patterns are created we see good moves. High probability chance the market will go up from here, as the market has taken support from the trend line as well as strong level, due to which we are getting double confirmation that the market has more chances of going up. Here I will draw another strong level which will give us more uptrend patterns. At this level also the market has created multiple support resistance points, where earlier the market had created many resistance points, later support points were created by breaking this level. The market has created a resistance become support pattern here before as well, which indicates a strong uptrend. Let's now place stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be below the strong support resistance level and outside the trend channel, which is 17 pips below. If there is a trend line breakout along with a strong level here, we will exit the trade, and the target point will be 34 pips above, where the market will create a new higher high. Here I am using risk to reward ratio 1:2. Guys, the market is moving as we expected. We have done the analysis in the right direction and we can get good results. Guys, now we wait for the next move of the market. Our entry is at the right time, which will make it easier for us to manage the trade. We have done our analysis correctly. Now let's see how the market reacts to this setup. Here we are using resistance become support strategy. We have made a proper playlist for this strategy, which you can watch on the channel, from which you will know that with the same strategy we can generate good profits many times. See you guys a little later. Till then, enjoy the video.
Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top, spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an inch, man, I'm making. I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top and the sailing. They can all try, but you cannot contain it, cause I see the things that I want and I take on my goal. Push myself to the brink, no limit. Do what it takes to be free, committed. I'm a little obsessed with things, I'll admit it, but that's what it takes to get a freedom ticket. Got a killer instinct and it's just the beginning.
Very nice, guys. The market moved very well after applying our trade. The market went up very fast, due to which our profit target was hit very quickly. Our analysis was absolutely correct, which the market respected. We were waiting for this move. The market is moving upwards, forming a perfect uptrend pattern. Our profit target was at this level, which has just been hit. Earlier the market had come near this level, but our target was not hit. Here the market has again created an uptrend pattern which can create a buying opportunity again. Let's draw the level. At this level the market first took resistance and later broke this level and created support, due to which again a resistance become support pattern has been created here, which is a high probability pattern. Such pattern always shows an uptrend, from which we can already have an idea in which direction the market will move. Now we close the trade. Guys, our profit here is around $7,500. We had $3,700 in this account, which has been grown to $12,000. We have grown this account with proper price action. This way you can also grow your account. Only you have to follow the trading rules properly. You can become a profitable trader. If you like this video then please like and share. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.